Thousands of people stranded in different parts of Nagaland due to the nationwide lockdown since March 24th to contain the spread of coronavirus left for their respective home districts on Thursday, 7th May, the first day of the 3-day window provided by the state government for movement of such people. As reported, all DCs have been directed to make necessary arrangements to facilitate the movement of people to their respective destinations, while NST private buses arranged by the government provided for the transportation of such persons free of cost. However, those travelling by private vehicles will have to bear their own expenses. Speaking to media person at the Kohima local ground where the transport services are being provided for inter-district movement of stranded persons, Housing Minister Tongpang Uzukum, who is also in charge of Kohima district to oversee the sending back of the stranded persons to their respective districts, said that so far 6,688 stranded persons from Kohima have registered with the administration to return to their respective districts.
Dimapur, we have around 3,000 stranded people, that's what we learned. But here in Kohima, it's 6,688 and it keeps coming. So definitely the number will increase. We are doing our best. One problem is the transportation. We are trying to requisition all the available passes, and we have made an appeal to the private bus owners also.
Kohima District Administration too started the massive exercise of systematically sending off stranded students and daily wage earners stranded in Nagaland to their respective districts. ADC Kohima Litrongla Tongpi Ratsa said altogether 1,034 people left Kohima on Thursday for their home by 43 NST buses, of which 17 buses went to Mon, 8 to Twingsang, 7 to Dimapur, 5 to Tobu, Twingsang, and 3 each to Mukokchung and Wokha respectively.
6,688 has already submitted their names and out of which we have sent out 1,034 as of now. Total we have received 45 government vehicles as well as from the departments and 6 NST. So total we had 51, out of which we have sent out 17 buses to Mon, then 8 buses to Twingsang district. We have sent out 3 buses to Mokokchung also and 3 buses to Wokha. We are also facilitating those who wanted to go down to Dimapur. So we have already sent out 2 buses.
Also, over 400 private vehicles were issued one-way permits for travel till Wednesday to enable the stranded people to return to their respective districts. The ADC also said that Kohima Facilitation Center had received around 3,000 applications from persons who are from outside the state and wanted to go to their respective states. The ADC also said the Kohima Facilitation Center had received 3,000 applications from persons who are from outside the state and wanted to go back to their respective states. She said the application had been forwarded to the state government for necessary action, while 2 additional buses were also sent to Assam border ferrying 52 migrant workers on Wednesday after all formalities and screening were done, she added.
We have already sent out 2 buses to Assam border. We'll after completing all the screening process and all, and then we also have discussing with the Assam government and all. We have screened those in the relief camp and 52 migrant workers who were here. We have sent down to Assam.
With a 3-day timeline to facilitate inter-district movement which began on Thursday, Ratsa said that by the second day, the district of the Longland, Peg, Kefire and Zunheboto will be covered. In regard to the persons from the Kohima who are presently stranded in other districts, the official said that all district administrations are in coordination and arrangements are made by the respective districts.
We wanted to cover Peg district, Longland, Kefire and Zunheboto also. But as I said earlier, we wanted to cover the far-flung areas first, and we are still waiting for more vehicles to report to us. So as and when they come, we will make assessment.
While in different parts of the state, in Mukokchung, the first batch of the people stranded in various parts started their journey back home on Thursday. 3 buses to Mon and 1 each to Dimapur and Tunsang. In Kefire, 44 stranded persons were transported to Kohima and Dimapur in 4 buses, while in Dimapur, around 1,297 people left to their respective homes from State Stadium in DC's office. Insan Bimukhuram,